This is the elevator at the Sleep Inn, Sarasota, Florida. Airport location. We're gonna go with 3. I'm actually surprised this one has not been modded. A lot of the surrounding hotels have. Despite this, it's been beat up. Someone called it, so we're gonna go with 2. Look at that button. You can really see the inside. All the wires. Anyway, here's your phone. Here's your certificate.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. I didn't see you share.
I'm gonna go for one more ride. We're gonna end it down at 1. So this elevator does open up right to the front desk. And the second floor is like an overhang over the lobby. So we're gonna end it as soon as the doors open. That'll be it.